Let's learn the Korean alphabet in 10 minutes. Let's get started. In Korean, there are 10 basic vowels and 11 compound vowels. First one is A. 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 This is Ya. 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 Next one is O. O. Small like O in English. O. O. And this is Yo. It's similar to Yo in English. Yo. Yo. And this is U. Okay, round your lips. U. U. And this is U. 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 And this one is U or U. 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 And this is U. U. Stretch out at the end of your lips. And U. It's similar to the English word like this. U. 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 And last one, this is E or E. So it's like E. E. Easy, right? There are compound vowels too. This and this have same sound. E. 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 And this also have same sound. It's yeah. 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 And next one, this is 의. It's U and E together. When you say quickly, 의. 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 Okay. And this is we. U and E quickly. We. 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 And this is U and O together. Wall. 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 And last three vowels have the same sound. They are all pronounced we. 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 First one, we. This is also we. Last one, we. We. Same. We. Next, let's learn consonants part. In Korean, there are 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. So total 19 consonants. First one, this is hard G sound. Gu. 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 And this is K sound. Ku. 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 And this is double G sound or double K sound. It's good, good, good. And next one, this is similar to D sound. D, D, D. This one is similar to T sound. 1, 2, 3. T, T, T. And next one, this is double D sound or double T sound. This is th, th, th. And next one, this is B sound, b, b, b. And this is P sound, p, p, p. This one, double B sound or double P sound. It's b, 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 b. Okay. And next one, this is J sound. Z, Z, Z. And this is CH sound. T, T, T. And this one, double J sound. Z, Z, Z. And this one is S sound. S, S, S. This is double S sound, stronger than S. S, S, S. And this one is silent. It doesn't have sound. And this one is H sound. H, H, H. And this is N sound. N, N, N. And this is L sound. 1, 2, 3. L, L, L. And last one is M sound. It's M, M, M. So now we learned vowels and consonants, and to make a syllable, we need to combine at least one vowel and one consonant like this or this. And after a vowel, you can add one more basic consonant or double consonant, and this part is called final consonant in Korean, like that. So if the consonant placed at the end of the syllable, some consonants change their sound. So I will tell you which one is changed. This one is G sound, but it changed to K sound. And this one is same, K sound. This one also changed to K sound. And then this one is D sound, but it changed to T sound. Also, T sound is same. And this is changed to P sound, up, up. And this P sound, same. And this one also changed to T sound, up, up. This one also T sound. And this one also T sound and T sound. This one is NG sound, like And this one is T sound. Let's practice together. So first, this is my name, morning. First one, this is M sound, right? M plus O, mo. And then N plus E plus NG sound, ning. Morning, morning is my name. And the other word, for example, the BTS member 지, 민. So first consonant, this is j, j sound. After that, e vowel, 지, and then m sound, m, e vowel again, and then n vowel, 지, 민, 지민, right? And the other word, the Blackpink member, Jennie, 니. So this is J sound, j, and then this is e vowel, 제, and then n sound, n plus e. So it's 제니, 제니. And if your name is Nicole, it's Nicole. So this is n sound, n plus e, ni, and then k plus o plus l sound, 콜. So we write down Nicole, Nicole. And if your name is Steven, 스, 티, 분, 스티븐. First one, this is S sounds, and then vowel, Next one, T sound plus E, T. This one, B sound plus and N, 분. So in Korean we say 스, 티, 분. And last, if your name is Emma, ma. So first one is silent, right? So it doesn't have sound. And next one, this is e vowel plus m sound, m. And the next one, m sound again, and a, ma, emma, emma. How do you write your name in Korean? Try writing and reading your name in Korean. If you'd like to continue learning Korean with me, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. 안녕!